My name is Vinayak Kumar Lal, and I head the marketing for Intex Technologies. Now, Intex, a very interesting brand to be. In fact, it started way back in 1996, and a duration of 14 years time, it has done a business of 593 crores. From just selling one product way back in 1996, which was Ethernet card, today company is into the business of 26 product categories and have launched more than 350 SKUs at point of time. We were known as a peripherals here, but now we have gone ahead and we have launched mobile phones and consumer electronics, and we are quite active in IT space as well. So the idea of Intex is to be from a peripheral business to be a technology brand, and that's what in fact we are looking at today. The next year projection is around 1,000 crores, and if I look at the business, I think my portfolio, mobile phone is going to contribute around 40%, followed by computer peripherals, which is around 30%, and followed by consumer electronics business. We were into consumer electronics business earlier. We had DVD players as well as speakers, but now with television and both, which is LCD as well as CRT, I think we are managing 90% of the portfolio in the consumer electronics segment. Okay. We are based out at Delhi. We have got 3 plants. One is in Jammu and 2 in Baddi. But yes, of course, we do a lot of, in fact, China. We have got an office in China, so a lot of manufacturing gets done in China as well. We are a national player, close to 1,000 cities and towns, and we are in every town in this country. Not now, but I guess in a time to come, by 2012 is what we'll be looking at, opening an operations and manufacturing unit in South India. We are venturing out of this country. We have already started our operation in Nepal, Vietnam, as well as Bangladesh. We are evaluating East African countries particularly. So that's the plan as of today for international business. See, Andhra Pradesh has been a very important market for us, and what we have done so far is around 8 to 9% of our total business comes from Andhra Pradesh. We have done 593 crores this year, and what we are aiming at 1,000 crores by end of financial year 2010-11. Today we have launched LCD television, as well as we have gone into the business of television with LCD as well as CRT. We have got 4 LCD, which is 40 inch, 32 inch. We have got 123 inch as such, and we have got 4 CRT monitors. The price is very attractive, and the good part is that Intex, being a technology player, it keeps on looking for value additional product. We have got a very interesting feature in the name of Eye Safety Matrix. See, there are plan of launching mobile phones. We have got video. We are launching mobile phones, range of video mobile phones, which is 3 to 4 in numbers. The sales target for the organization is 1,000 crores, as I mentioned to you, out of which we are looking 450 crores from mobile phones. And then we are looking at 300 crores from computer peripheral business, 125 crores from consumer electronics, close to 100 crores from the IT business, which is PCs as well as the TFT monitors. We are very well distributed in Andhra Pradesh, practically in all the towns and cities of Andhra Pradesh. See, it has been a very interesting market and good market for us. If I look at my organization entire turnover, the 9% to 10% share comes from Andhra Pradesh itself. Thank you so much.